have a name tag yet?
No,
Okay.
I'm Chappy with a Y, Chappy.
All right, here we go. Let's see if I can do it.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. This is installment number 8 of my visit to Tiki Kon 2022. We're going to head out to Portland, Oregon. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is a drink I've been playing with for quite some time. A lot of research. Research. So I'm going to make my riff on a hurricane. I call this Chappy's Hurricane. Now, according to my bartender's guide, there's 2 separate recipes for a hurricane. First hurricane recipe is a martini-style drink, and it has 1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of dark rum, 2 tablespoons of passion fruit syrup, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And then it says hurricane number 2, which is actually served in a hurricane glass, is 8 ounces of pineapple juice, 4 ounces of orange juice, 1 1/4 ounce of dark rum with a splash of grenadine. And I think both of these are based on Pat O'Brien's hurricane on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. So Mookie and I have been in the test kitchen or test bar after 45 tries. Number 46 seemed to be the best result. And if I do say so myself, it's better than Pat O'Brien's in New Orleans. So for Chappy's Hurricane, there's 3 key components and 2 secret components. I'll start with the key components. That's the juices. So I'm going to go fresh orange juice, and I'm going to do the juice of 2 whole oranges. I'll set this thing up like 2 tons of pressure here. Last time I just used this, but I got juice everywhere. I got juice in Mookie's eyes, so we'll use the more professional juicer. So again, that's 4 orange halves, or 2 whole oranges. Alright, so that looks like it's a good half a cup or a third of a cup of OJ fresh. So it has to be fresh orange juice. Now that brings me to the pineapple juice. There's 2 ways I go on this. I get a fresh pineapple and I put it through my Breville juicer, or use Dole pineapple, but it has to be premium pineapple juice. Don't get the crappy cheap stuff. So the Dole premium pineapple juice, it's from Hawaii. They're Hawaiian pineapples. Open that up. Might be easier juicing a pineapple than getting this can open. All right, so we're gonna go 1 ounce of premium pineapple juice. And then my third key ingredient, use premium rum. Aged rum, añejo. My favorite rum is Pirate rum. Very expensive, but it is worth it. We'll go 1.5 ounces of Pirate rum. Okay, now we're getting to my secret ingredients. I have passion fruit syrup, but this is the passion fruit syrup that they used for shaved ice in Hawaii. It's actually called Hawaiian shaved ice passion fruit syrup. Now this is a syrup, it's very sweet, so we're just going to do like basically a splash of that. And then my final secret ingredient is Hawaiian Sun Luau Punch. You can substitute Hawaiian Punch for it if you're in Canada. It's very difficult to get the Hawaiian Sun Luau Punch in Canada. And we're just going to finish it off with the Hawaiian Sun Luau Punch. All right, and then we're just gonna give that a little stir, Mookie. And normally I would use a hurricane glass, but I got this lovely tiki mug that I got in Hawaii, and it's already full of ice. And then, of course, I got a lovely garnish with an umbrella, maraschino cherries, and a fresh pineapple. And that is Chappy's Hurricane. Coming up next, we got Tiki Kon 2022. Let's go to Portland, Mookie.
What's his name?
Dolly.
Oh, it's a she?
I swear to God.
I have a Chihuahua. So she's the she has. It has the really shitty hair, but it's a deer head, not the apple head. Yeah. So we think she's half happy on half long hair Chihuahua. She's rescued us. Yeah, cut the banana. He just came in all stealth. I hardly noticed him.
Hello, Tim. So, good. Okay. Are you in the?
You never know, yeah.
But it's an artist of it's a real.
How do I fold?
He's gonna have to go into the backpack for the walk. Yeah. Just call him Azzy. Azzy. You can snap. Sometimes he gets him. Oh, you pretty kitty. Oh, is she rounding up my head?
You're gonna watch the parade, or you're gonna be in it?
I'm not going to be in it. I'm going to have a captain.
How's it going?
I'll have to bring my shirt like that.
I think I like the guy.
Yes, it's very nice.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.